Hi, it's Anthony from OQplay.com, and today we're checking out the Halo strap for the Oculus Quest 2. It's come in a very tiny little box than what I was expecting it to arrive in, but it's all in the box, and we'll be comparing it to the Elite strap for the Quest 2 and seeing which one to buy. But first, let's get this fitted and see how easy it is to install. So first we need to remove the Elite strap. Your job is going to be a lot easier because the Elite strap is a little bit harder to remove from these points here. So we'll just get this whole headset part removed first. First steps is that we'll remove the cover. This is the VR cover that you'll be able to get online very soon when it goes back in stock at the end of November. And then the actual straps themselves, we need to twist them and that whole headpiece will come off. Need to undo the strap, pull that out, and then that's the Elite strap. So let's just have a look at what comes in the box. We have a head strap itself, which we'll need definitely, and it's basically that's it. And we have the head strap itself that comes well packaged. So we've got the head strap itself, and then let's take this out of the bag. So these are the main components that we'll be using to fit the Halo strap to the Quest 2. It's got a very similar velcro to the Quest 2s, and a soft hook and loop system and a soft rubber strap on the other end. And this is the business end of the Quest 2 strap. It feels a little bit more plasticky. It's definitely a different material than the one I've got for the Quest 1. There's a lot of give there. So we'll see how that functions. Got a nice soft rubber material to the forehead and the back. Probably the same kind of padding thickness. And then you've got the adjustment part here, which makes similar noises. And then you've got the attachments for the Quest 2 itself. So install is going to be a lot easier than the original Quest. We take the Quest itself, and then we're going to put that on to one of the arms, slide that on, and then let's just bring that back a bit, and then slide this end on. And for now I'm just going to take it as far as I can along the strap, and then let's just bring it out because you can't bring the headpiece over, so we'll just bring that headpiece over and then slide those pieces back, and that is pretty much it. We'll attach the back strap. We've got like a little bit of this wasn't here on the Quest 1 version. They've added this on. There's no instructions, so I'm going to wing this. So we want to loop that over on the forehead side, so we'll just bring that through here. You can see that's strap in the way. A bit tricky to get through, so we're going to add a bit of bend there, try and get the edge in. That's it. So that's one part, and then I'm assuming this goes all the way over. So we'll add a bit at the forehead, and then bring this over and bring it to the back. and feed it through this sort of slot here, and then attach it again. So that's basically the top head strap. Sometimes I didn't really feel that we needed this head strap, so I'll see how this feels over some time and see if you even need this. Otherwise, a lot of the weight is going to go onto this forehead part here. And we'll be adjusting these parts forward and back, because you might find that you're a bit too close to the face cover once we put that on. So let's put that back on. So we'll put the VR cover back on. Put that into place. And that is it. So that is the whole system there. Colour is pretty much on point with the Quest 2 colour. There's the rear. Nothing underneath to attach a battery pack to, unfortunately. But this feels a lot thinner than what I was expecting. So we'll see how this fares in fast action games. And so let's get this fitted on our head and see how it looks. Right, so we've got it attached. You can see it here. It's the head strap. It looks good, I think. So let's get this. I'll loosen this first, because we don't know how much head strap we need, and then it should be a case of so again, like I said, I don't think you need much of this, but I'll add a bit just to see how it feels. All it does is just adds a bit of support at the top of your head there, and it just lifts the whole headset up a little bit, takes it off your cheekbones here, and but it feels good. There's definitely a lot of wobble, a bit more, because it's more at the back of the head, the support. It's very similar to the Elite strap, but obviously more weight is lifted onto the top of your head, which makes this feel a lot less heavy. Not that it was heavy in the first place. But we'll have to do a headphone test in a minute, see how the headphones sit on the side of the thing. Amazingly, these aren't sliding backwards and forwards. I've got it at its maximum, and tightening up hasn't pushed it away, so it's actually attaching to the sidearm pretty well, which is a surprise. And no, it feels fairly solid, just like the Elite strap really. This adds a little bit of extra comfort and support, but otherwise it does the job, I think. But I'll try it in a few games, and I'll try it with and without this strap and see what the differences are. But let's try the headphone test. So we got our SteelSeries Arctis 3 Bluetooth headset. This is what I normally use and what you see me use on our gameplay videos, and let's just try that. So unfortunately you can't bring these down with this headset. It's all in the bungee at the top, and this isn't giving me much cushioning, so these are actually hovering, unlike the Elite strap, which is a lot more on my ears. So that is a negative on this headset. Yeah, it's pushing the headset further away, so it can't sit on my ears that well, unfortunately. So I think you need earbuds or more on-ear headphones, because even still on-ear is going to hit this bar here and force the headphone to stay out. So bear that in mind if you're considering this, and that you might not be able to use a decent pair of headphones, and maybe audio from this and also audio from earbuds as well is probably ideal for this type of headset, or unless you can actually attach something onto here and actually have like Vive Deluxe Audio kind of like attachments here, which I know a few are selling on AliExpress as well, so that might be something you might want to consider. So to remove it is a case of undoing. This feels a lot stronger than the other strap that I have for the Quest 1, and it feels like it's got a lot more support. And what's the face like? So you can see that it's putting pressure on the top of my head there, but nothing really here, as you would do with the Quest. And obviously this gets a little bit sweaty just by showing you, but I think it's not too bad. It retails for about £25 or around $30 from AliExpress. I'll look for the link in the notes on how to buy it, and you can look at the other reviews on that website too to see what other people think. But it's a good alternative if you prefer this style to the Elite strap style. Obviously you can't really attach a battery pack or anything, so bear that in mind. You might be able to attach some headphones to these arms here further down. That's an option as well. Otherwise you've got audio of the headset itself, which still plays through these points here, or you've got in-ear buds basically that you could use with this as well. And again, like I said, you could avoid this and not have any Quest hair with this, and this obviously prevents that from happening a little bit as well, because the strap's not immediately going over your face and your forehead is more up in this, and your hair's got some room to breathe. Right, so this is the Halo strap for the Quest 2. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you have, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It really helps us out, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.